Myself S.C. Pandey. I will discuss about the biology subject here. Chapter 2. Topic is Kingdom Fungi. Kingdom Fungi, as the fungi is plural. Fungi is plural and the fungus is singular word. Fungus is singular and fungi is plural. Here the study of fungi called study of fungi occur in mycology, one branch of biology which is called as mycology, in which we study fungi, a kingdom, and the fungi first explained as kingdom by R.H. Whitaker. Fungi first explained as kingdom by R.H. Whitaker in 1969 in the Five Kingdom classification. In his Five Kingdom classification, R.H. Whitaker in 1969 explained about the fungi first. The study of fungi occur in mycology. E.J. Butler considered as father of Indian mycology. Father of Indian mycology is E.J. Butler, and generally Alexopoulos is considered as father of mycology. Total fungi, kingdom fungi, classify into two sub-kingdoms as these are called as Myxomycetes or Myxomycotina and Eumycotina. Later on, the Myxomycotina has one class called Myxomycetes, in which slime molds are placed. Eumycotina, which has four classes, in which four classes of Eumycotina, generally the class named as the Phycomycetes. This Phycomycetes, which is called as water or algal fungi, it is called as algal fungi. Very simple habitat and structure. Another is ascomycetes. Ascomycetes called as the sac fungi, and class third is basidiomycetes. Basidiomycetes, which is called as club fungi, and fourth class is deuteromycetes. Deuteromycetes called as fungi imperfecti. Imperfecti means absence of sexual reproduction, absence of perfect stage. That is why deuteromycetes called as fungi imperfecti. As the classification of fungi has given here, in the classification of fungi, generally the kingdom fungi classify into two subkingdoms as Myxomycotina and Eumycotina. Myxomycotina has one class only called Myxomycetes, in which slime molds are placed. Slime molds like the Physarum. Here, good example of slime mold, which generally has the Plasmodium term applied by the aggregation of the cell. So, slime molds are asimilar structure, and Eumycotina classified into four classes. These four classes are as class first is Phycomycetes, which is called algal fungi, and this Phycomycetes, which generally has the many fungi, for example the Albeuco, Rhizopus, Aspergillus are good example of Phycomycetes. Ascomycetes, which is called as sac fungi, good example is the East Puccinia and the Phaeziza, which is good example of Coprophilous fungi. Coprophilous fungi means fungi which grow on the cattle's dung. Basidiomycetes, which is commonly called as club fungi, good examples are generally Astilago, which causes the smut disease. As the different types of the Basidiomycetes formation occur in the such club fungi. As the Deuteromycetes, good example is Alternaria, Coletotrichum are important example of Deuteromycetes. After the introduction, this is the introduction about the kingdom, about the fungi. As fungi is plural and fungus is singular. Study of fungi occur in mycology, and fungi first explained as kingdom by R.H. Whitaker 1969. E.J. Butler considered as father of Indian mycology. Alexio Poilus considered as father of mycology. After this classification of fungi, very simple way, as kingdom fungi has divided into two sub-kingdoms. As sub-kingdom first is Myxomycotina and second is Eumycotina. Myxomycotina again classified into the class Myxomycetes. Here Myxomycetes are very simple fungi in which slime molds are found. Good example is Thygerum. And Eumycotina, which is generally considered as having the thallus structure as Phycomycetes. All members are found in the water and called as water fungi or algal fungi, because algae are also found in the water mostly. Here good example of Phycomycetes is Aspergillus and another is Albugo. Albugo, which causes white rust of crucifer. White rust of crucifer disease in mustard. Mustard, I mean to say sarson. White rust of crucifer disease caused by Albugo, and Aspergillus, which causes aspergillosis disease in the mammal. Mostly aspergillosis skin disease in which the aspergillus, which spores present in the swollen part, and the rhizopus, which generally seen in the case of as black or generally black color fruiting body, is found in the Rhizopus nigricans. Rhizopus nigricans, which grow on the bread, moist bread or butter, as producing black color sporangium. So it is black color generally the Ascomycetes, which is called as sac fungi. Good example is yeast, and yeast is one cell fungi. Yeast is one cell fungus. This fungus, as exception, contain only one cell. Yeast generally has two names. One is called as baker's yeast, used in the making bread, and it is also called as brewer's yeast, used in the making beer. So if yeast used in making beer called as brewer's yeast, and when it is used in making bread called as baker's yeast. Baker's yeast generally used in the bakery industry. In the Ascomycetes member, which are generally called as sac fungi, the yeast is one cell fungus. Other like Puccinia and Pegaia, which has ascus like structure. But I explain one by one these classes. Before this, I will discuss about the habitat of fungi and characters of fungi. So, First of all, I told you here classification and introduction. Then I will tell you about the characteristics of fungi. Characteristics of fungi. Very important characteristics are, as these are achlorophyllous. These are achlorophyllous and thyroid structure. Thyroid structure. Second one, cell wall made by chitin. Chitin, a type of polysaccharide. Cell wall made by polysaccharide. Sometimes this chitin, which is also called as the fungal cellulose. Fungal cellulose. Here, third important character is asexual reproduction by the spores. Asexual reproduction by spores. You can say sporangiospores or Pollidia, Oidia, Chlamydospore, etc. Sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction is generally isogamous to oogamous type. Important character of fungi is glycogen as reserve food material. Glycogen as reserve food material. And sixth character is sometimes multinucleate and aseptate. Multinucleate and aseptate mycelium called Cenocyte mycelium. It is called Cenocytic mycelium. Good character of the class Phycomycetes. Members of Phycomycetes have Cenocytic mycelium. And important character is sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction, another name is perfect stage, which is absent in Deuteromycetes. Sexual reproduction is absent in the member of Deuteromycetes, hence called fungi imperfecti. Deuteromycetes member are called fungi imperfecti because sexual reproduction is absent. Here, ascospores found in the ascus. In the ascus, 8 in numbers. Like this is ascus. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are ascospores. And this structure is ascus. As character of ascomycetes. Here, basidiospores found on basidium. It means it is external, 4 in number. Total are 4 in numbers. As suppose this is the one good example of the members of the basidiospores are present on the basidium. So this is basidiospore and this is basidium, which generally 4 in the number on the basidium, as it is found in the case of Astidago nuda. Astidago nuda, basidium and basidiospores have explained. Now here thallus means no differentiation of root, stem and leaf, called as thallus. So fungus body organization is thallus type. Thallus means there is no differentiation of root, stem and leaf. And here one simple structure which is called as the hyphae. And if the many here structure of thallus if expand, then if the one hyphae interwoven to another hyphae like this, so this type of condition occur when the condition arises. This type of condition, the such hyphae if makes the network like structure, this is called as mycelium. This is called as mycelium. So mycelium means network of hyphae. Network of hyphae called mycelium. Here the hypomycetes generally has the simple asexual sporangiospores present in the sporangium. As in case of hypomycetes, good example is Rhizopus. As good example Rhizopus, generally such type of structure present in which this is called as sporangiophore. On the sporangiophore sporangium is present. In the sporangium, many spores are present, which is called as sporangiospore, and this structure is called as mycelium, and the total structure is have one member, which is called as Rhizopus nigricans thallus. Thallus of Rhizopus nigricans. And in case of thallus of Rhizopus nigricans, mycelium is prostate, and which generally attached with the dead part of the plant or animal, which is called a substratum, by which it obtains nutrient. As Rhizopus nigricans, good example is saprophyte fungi, because all fungi are generally heterotroph, means they obtain their nourishment by the dead plant and animals, and sometimes causes disease as parasite. Phycomycetes as first class of the subkingdom Eumycotina. Rhizopus and the other is Aspergillus. Aspergillus, here the condition is different. As in case of Aspergillus, generally the arrangement of such type of spores one by one occur. In the case of Aspergillus, here Aspergillus, generally the spherical bodies attached. So this is the Aspergillus species. Next one, class Ascomycetes, in which the good example is Puccinia graminis TTC. Puccinia graminis TTC, which causes rust of wheat. Puccinia graminis TTC, which is generally famous for rust of wheat, and the Ascomycetes member. Sometimes the ascus generally present. Here the ascus generally contain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ascospores. As the 8 ascospores present here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, one by one. These are the ascospores which are present in the ascus. So ascus plural are asci, and the ascus contain ascospore. Sometimes the ascospores which present in the ascus as the endogenous condition. Here it is called endogenous spore, and the other structure which generally surround the ascus, as the mycelium is present here. So this is generally called the fruiting body. As the fruiting body when cup shaped, this is called as the ascocarp or ascogonium. This is the ascogonium of Puccinia, in which the mycelium is present, and this mycelium generally present here as prostate condition. The Ascomycetes members is Puccinia, and third one is the Basidiomycetes, in which the one condition present, that is the karyotic mycelium. What it means by dikaryon? Dikaryon means one hypha which generally uninucleate when generally makes the network with another hypha, then the nucleus fuses, and if nucleus fuses in one cell, then a condition arises, the dikaryotic case. But if one contain large size, another contain small size, then this is called as dikaryotic cell. After this, both type of nucleus fuses and it produces a type of hypha which generally contain large size, small size, large size, small size. So this condition is called as dikaryotic mycelium. So dikaryotic mycelium present the characters of basidiomycetes. The fruiting body is basidium. I have explained already in the case of basidiomycetes as third class of the fungi. And fourth one, that is the deuteromycetes. In the deuteromycetes, many members are present, in which one is Alternaria. Alternaria, which causes the early blight of potato. It generally causes blight disease as the potato is belong to the family Solanaceae. In the case of early blight of potato, suppose this is the potato leaf, as potato leaf generally has the such type of ring formation on the leaf, one by one, ring formation on the leaf, on the potato leaf. So this is the early blight of potato, which generally occurs in the early period. Another is, good example is Colletotrichum felicatum. Colletotrichum felicatum, which causes the disease as known as red rot of sugar cane. Red rot of sugar cane caused by Colletotrichum felicatum. In this case, generally the sugar cane, here leaf of sugar cane has shown the leaf which contain the stripe of the red color. So this is called as the red color of red rot of sugar cane. So this is the red rot of sugar cane. Deuteromycetes generally the sexual reproduction absent. So absence of sexual reproduction as character of Deuteromycetes, or it is called as fungi imperfecti. Now these fungi also causes diseases in the human too. In the human, fungi mostly causes diseases, as the importance of fungi is considered, then the fungi has utmost importance, like as medicine, fungi used as antibiotic. As you know, the first antibiotic is penicillin. Penicillin, which generally obtained by a fungus called Penicillium notatum. Penicillium notatum, which is a fungus which produces penicillin antibiotic. Another antibiotic also explained by the help of bacteria. Second one, in bakery industry. In bakery industry, generally the yeast, which is called as Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Saccharomyces cerevisiae, which generally used as the baker's yeast, and this baker's yeast used in making the bread and biscuits. Bread and biscuits made by the Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Third importance is in beer industry. In the beer industry also the Saccharomyces produces beer. So here name has given as brewer's yeast. This is name here brewer's yeast. The usefulness of the fungi as fourth one is called as Claviceps purpurea. Claviceps purpurea, which produces LSD. LSD means the lysergic acid diethylamide, which is used by the women and causes hallucinogen. Claviceps generally used in the genetic engineering. Here it is used in the genetic engineering, and the harmful effect, as these are the useful fungi, then harmful fungi also present. Harmful fungi mostly causes diseases in human, like the trichoderma, which causes ringworm in human. Trichoderma causes ringworm in human, a type of fungal disease. Sometimes a type of fungus belong to the Moniliae family, as the Moniliae family fungus causes the food poisoning, and this is the Amanita species. So Amanita species causes food poisoning as harmful fungi. Harmful fungi also causes many types of diseases in the plants. These are given as below, as the harmful effect in the animals as reported. So in the plants, harmful effects are like it causes the white rust of crucifer, and second disease is it causes the early blight of potato, and third disease it causes, this is late blight of potato, and fourth disease which is called as rust of wheat, and the fifth is loose smut of wheat, and sixth is generally as the blight of the phaseolus, and last seventh is green ear disease of bajra. Green ear disease of bajra. So the white rust of crucifer caused by albugo, and early blight of potato caused by Alternaria solani, as the albugo species causes white rust of crucifer. Late blight of potato caused by Phytophthora infestans. Phytophthora infestans causes late blight of potato. Rust of wheat caused by Puccinia graminis TTC. And the loose smut of wheat caused by Astilago nuda. And the blight of the Phaseolus causes by the Aedes alternaria species. Green ear disease causes by the Aedes the hair Sclerospora graminicola fungus. So these are the different types of disease in the plants, and all the descriptions has given for the kingdom fungi. You should like and subscribe the channel Super Classes.